Okay, so good morning guys. We are talking about today about developing units, right? We are talking about a different way, okay, a more focus in a company, right? How employees. So the result of you working, developing a unity of your team that you pertain is maximum strengths and bring out the best in each team member. So it's the best results that you can achieve in your team, in your company. So some of principles to developing unity in your team is open communication. So we have many frameworks in your company and kinds of meetings that we need to share why you did it and how are your tasks during this project. So how much you are open your communication, you can solve more problems, you can help one another during the project. Other principle they can, is a pillar of developing unity, is have a clarity of vision and goals. So some principles that I know that we are studying here is establish a clear vision, align goals and values, have a smart goals, inspire communication decisions, break down goals and into milestones, encourage innovation and adaptability, monitoring and evaluating progress. So we talk about it every day here, right? So other principle they can apply to develop unity is have a team alignment. So shared purpose, performance, mutual accountability. It's one thing that we have opportunity to develop each day here. Independent function, clear roles, and define decision-making authority. So how much you have experience in your role, more you will be independent in your function, and you help others to be independent too. So other thing is the transparency and accountability during the project. So always need to get a feedback. How is the things in your project? So this is one of the principles. And one of the things that I like to share with you is about anti-corruption solutions. So how much you are earning money in the project, developing your software, you are working in your area, the professional area. More we need to have solutions to solve problems that can happen in the future. So these transparency and accountability principles can help you during these projects. So why the team unity is important for you and for me? So one of the results is increased productivity. So you will be more organized in your tasks. You will have more desire to improve more, to develop more skills. So not just you, but each member of your group. The second result is you're morally boss. You be more moral, right? Each member of your group will be more able to achieve more goals. So this increases confidence and happiness. The third that you can discuss very quickly is they have an environment very creative. So it's interesting that how more each member of your group develop unity, you have more meetings, you have open communication, and you complete your tasks. Each member of your group, you'll be more able to share ideas to complete some tasks or to achieve more goals. So this is my presentation. Thanks so much.